How to withdraw money from eSewa without KYC. So if you want to withdraw money from eSewa without KYC, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, log into your eSewa. Once you've logged in, now if you want to transfer to a friend's account with KYC, if you have a trusted friend or family member who has a verified eSewa account, you can transfer funds to them. If you have a trusted friend or family member who has a verified eSewa account, you can transfer funds to them. They can withdraw the money for you. Note that the transfer fees may apply. And for the non-KYC accounts, eSewa sometimes allow bank transfers or non-KYC accounts up to a certain limit. Check your account to see if you have a bank transfer option available. Or you can also visit an eSewa agent, often local shops or vendors, and see if they provide cash out services. Some agents might assist you with small withdrawals even without KYC. This will likely include additional charges and may not be available everywhere. Use of eSewa balance for money top-ups, utility bills, or online purchases, bypassing the need to withdraw cash. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.